So today I'm looking at this niggly fault with the Corsa. Basically, here's the pollen filter. Here's the cover for the pollen filter. So the cover should go in at the top. And in at the bottom. As you can see, there's a screw here, or a hole for a screw, but nothing on the back here. So let's see what we can do about that. In place it should sit like that, but what tends to happen is it will, through use, just sort of pop out of the bottom. So what I need is a little thing to go behind there, something a bit like that the screw can go into. That should do the job. So a raw plug. What we'll do is chop off part of it. Okay, get rid of the end. That should do it. Then can feed in here, around the back. That won't pull through there. I could go one further actually if I take this out again. Put the raw plug in there. Get it in there, then just screw into it. And that should do it. Ideally I want something that will just clip into it like this. Literally that. And that would just do kind of like that. In fact, exactly like that. I'm just having a feel around in there actually to see if there's one that's missing from the past. I don't think there is. I don't have any of these to hand, but as a temporary measure, that should do the job. It's in place. There's a suitable screw. There we go. Perfect. There we go. That's locked in. That isn't going anywhere now. Oops. Only if you pull it from the top. Otherwise that will stay in place and it won't fall out from the bottom. Right, reassembly. You have this air vent here, which goes into here. So this larger part there just slots in like so. This attaches to the bottom of the motor using this plug here, or this trim thing. So just pull it out like so, and then offer it up, push it through like so. So you see it pop through there, and that locks it in place. Then you have this piece. This slots in a little ledge up here that goes into on the bulkhead, and that comes up like so. There's a there, like that. There's a ledge here that goes onto. There you go. And then you have the glove box that will bolt onto here, 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 and here. Right, let's get that back in place. So there's that screw in place. That's the one that holds this bottom panel to the glove box. And you've got one that'll go up in here. One here. And then there will be two at the top, which we'll do in a moment. One there. And one there. There we go. And there we go, that's done. Let's make sure that the rubber is locked in here. And that's it. There we go. That's just a niggling fault I've had for a while. Very quickly fixed. Thanks for watching.